Oh my god, she's listening to an inappropriate song. Oh, want me to put it in? So. Oh my god, I can still hear it. Oh my god, it's up close. That was just up close. Sono mucche pesos fuogiale. Whoa. Really? Lila wants to listen to the next song. This is too cute. This is too cute. Oh my god, this is too cute. You're my love. Oh, now she's really doing it. Sono mucche peso. Wait, should we start it? I don't know.
Okay, इसको दोनों चीजें स्टैपल करो.
Put it on. She's flapping her wing. Oh my god, that was cute. Oh my god, she's doing the squats. Yeah. Yeah, little girl. Yeah, do the squats. Get out of the way. What's that black thing? Oh, it's just a stupid spider. Lena, you don't want to listen to this. It's a great song. Little boy, put it on.
सुन ले लियो बेटा. सुबेल आ जाओ बेटा. होम इन टाइम मुझे एक बात करनी पड़ेगी. ये अपने बैग में रखो.
Ella, Ella.
और रीडिंग की बुक लेकर आओ.
Oops, it's upside down. Good morning.
you pay? Yes. I want you to read.
तो अदर बुक का क्या हुआ है जो आप पढ़ रहे थे?
वो मैंने कैंसिल किया
क्यों?
क्योंकि हम ये पढ़ रहे हैं. So 45 to 75.
एटलीस्ट
I'm making a video.
चलो निर्वाण इसको बंद करा दो.
I just want to see the video.